here in the lobby right now, ready to check in, wait for Ricky and Charlie to come. And you probably can't hear me as much because I have my face messed up. And I look crazy, but Miami, right? Yeah. Oh, y'all.
You can tell we going now.
God.
We going up.
We going. Who?
We going up. We going up.
Hi.
We going up. Does it flip out?
What? Money? Yes.
It flips out too?
Hi. What is given? Who? Guys. Look at this. Right, it's given. This is given. 1, 2, 3 that. Period.
I'm Cornelia.
What is going on? Miss Mamas is giving. She giving Porty. Yes, we're in the hotel. Brittany's doing what she got to do over there. Girl, no. What if they see this? She's doing what she has to do as a black woman. Trying to do what she has to do as a black woman. Now I want crab legs for real.
Yeah, me too. Let's give it that tape.
It's giving crab legs. Crab legs and wine. Alright, y'all. We just made it to the freaking Rooftop. The grown woman things on timing. Alright, so we have a whole bunch of snow. Obviously, it's New York. They had the bar, but obviously that's closed in the winter. But it's beautiful. Look at this. It's straight up views right now. Straight up views.
Where would we go next?
Where would we go?
That's the ending of our video.
Right, where we exactly. Alright, y'all. I'm about to beat my face and like we're gonna give y'all a little surprise. We're gonna give y'all a little something right now. But this is what Arlo NOMAD they gave us. They gave us some robes and they're really luxurious, really thick. And I'm excited. I always look for a robe, so yeah. Alright, y'all. So this is mine. Woo! Let me just. This light's good. I'm gonna look. Yes. So, what's up, vlog and stuff? This ring light is doing us justice. We're still waiting for the boil. Mr. Farkadeem is dropping our shit. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm hungry as hell, so I need something to eat right now. Alright, y'all, so we just got our food. Tell me why the boil put all 3 of our orders together, missing a side. Like, it's a whole hot damn mess. Like, how we go all 3 eat, like, in one bag? Like, that's just nasty. So we're trying to figure the situation out right now, but this is disgusting. This is.
It's 3 of us on this bed. We is not breaking this.
Yo, we need to get new sheets.
I'm coming back here.
No, for real.
I'm coming back.
This is cute. Is Megan waking up to this?
Bro, yeah.
What's your name?
All from the internet provider ranked the most reliable 6 years in a row.
Oh, like what?
Alright, y'all. We just finished watching The Bachelor.
Wow, fat.
It's the crab legs.
A burger.
I need to go down.
What's the bad order button?
Bro.
Oh, God.
Scared. China the brand. Get into it. Alright. So we up. It's 5 in the morning. We ain't do nothing. We need to fill some. We gonna do some Instagram content. But we literally last night we watched The Bachelor and just started dying at jokes like.
Yeah, because y'all just want to drink.
Ciao. You was drinking too?
Yeah, but I was cool and I was standing up ready for the fun.
Oh my
Y'all acting
god.
like grandmas and grannies.
Not grannies. We gonna get stuff done today, y'all, swear. But everything's just so nah, this shit's
Nigga said it's a vacation.
it's a vacation, it's escaping nature. This is strictly escaping nature. Like, so we're done. Well, we're about to be done shooting, so it was a success after all. We have all her products, all my friend's products right here. Shop China the brands. I use her outer shine oil and has done wonders for my skin. And she has some toners, facial jelly, so definitely check her out. The link will be in the bio. Alright, y'all, we outside. It's like 9:30 in the morning, and she's a runner, she's a track star. She gonna run away when it get hard. But yeah, we're about to just, get breakfast possibly, or to go shop. Hold on. Alright, so we just finished shopping at H&M. Say hey, ladies. We're checking out. We out. We got the Rose on Zag and the H&M bags and our luggage. Yeah, and we're just about to go shopping. Period. Oh! Okay. This is their wall that we didn't get to write on, but that's okay. Right. I went to meet up with my friend Chad. And we're going to back to Forever 21. So me, Brittany, and China went to Forever 21 and copped out. They have a beautiful sale. And I met up with my friends, and now we're going back. We're going to shop and then go to Red Lobster. So I'm gonna try to get like some content on that, but might not. Kind of enjoying the moment. Me, Chad.
Hi.
Yes.